Hello, kids. Good morning. This is Miss Mel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Today, we are going to enhance our vocabulary by learning different jobs and occupations. Are you ready? Let's start. Teacher. A teacher is a person that passes knowledge to students, usually at school. Teacher. Doctor. A doctor is a person you go to see when you are ill or have some type of health problems. Doctor. Nurse. A nurse is a person trained to help a doctor to look after the sick or injured. Nurse. Policeman. A policeman is a member of the police force. They try and prevent crime. Policeman. Firefighter. A firefighter is a person that puts out fires. Firefighter. Carpenter. A carpenter is a person that makes things from wood, including houses and furniture. Carpenter. Dentist. A dentist is a person that can fix problems you have with your teeth. Dentist. Farmer. A farmer is a person that works on a farm, usually with animals. Farmer. Fisherman. A fisherman is a person that catches fish. Fisherman. Painter. A painter is a person that paints pictures or the interior and exterior of buildings. Painter. Photographer. A photographer is a person that takes pictures. Photographer. Pilot. A pilot is a person who flies a plane. Pilot. Scientist. A scientist is a person that works in a science industry. They do many experiments. Scientist. Sales lady. A sales lady is a person that serves customers, replenish stocks, and handle customers' complaints. Sales lady. Lawyer. A lawyer is a person whose job is to guide and assist people in matters relating to the law. Lawyer. Construction worker. Construction worker is a person that build or fix homes, roads, and buildings. Construction worker. Journalist. A journalist is a person who works in journalism to report the news. Journalist. Clown. A clown is an artist or a performer who tries to make people laugh. Clown. Boxer. A boxer is a person who plays boxing as a sport. Boxer. Singer. A singer is a person who sings for entertainment. Singer. Architect. An architect is a person that designs a new building or structure. Architect. Waiter or waitress. A waiter or a waitress takes orders and deliver food to customers. Waiter or waitress. Soldier. A soldier's main job is usually to defend its country in times of war. Soldier. Lifeguard. A lifeguard is a person on the beach or at the public pool who shows people the correct way of using the water facility and stops accident from happening. lifeguard,